Hey y'all, it's me finally being consistent. So what's up? Excuse the makeup, this was from earlier today. I just had this other look that I did today, like a year ago, and I had hella blush. I think it's actually my little icon pick on here, so I just had to recreate it. Like, I got beat. It's been a while since I got beat, and I have hella makeup on my face, and I don't feel, I mean, all the oils came through, they're helping me out. Anyways, I ordered something and I'm so excited to show y'all. I was gonna wait, but I was like, nah, I literally can't wait. Like, I've been staring at the package the whole fucking time. So yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, see, nothing on here, right? Yeah, nothing's on here. Okay, so I finally got the Desio lenses after, I don't know which video it was. Someone left me a comment. If I can figure out how people fucking put the little screenshot shit on here, I'm gonna do that. But y'all asked me about the coffee collection. I think I also talked about the coffee collection myself. All this, you know, contact lens shit started because of Desio lenses. I was always obsessed with contact lenses, having like honey brown eyes. That's always been like my goal. And I bought them in caramel brown. And I don't think I ever did a video on those. Those are like just me on Snapchat and Instagram. If I can find a picture, I'll post it, but I doubt I'll be able to find one because it's been a while. The thing was, they looked perfect online, and then when I put them on, they turned green, like green as fuck. And I'm not into like the whole blue green eye thing. Like, if you were born with blue and green eyes, like, shout out to you, boo. Like, those European ass genes coming through for you, but I want some honey brown eyes. So basically, they're upfront about that shit, that they want your natural eye color to blend with the contacts. First, did the Solotica review, I said that the colors are really bright with the Desio, and I just worded that wrong. So yeah, your eye color does affect the color of the contact, but I was trying to say that the printing of the contact is super harsh. So that's what I meant by the color is really bold. But anyways, we blabbing. So how about we just go ahead and open the package first, and let me show y'all the packaging. I just got it in this white bag. Okay, so they give you like a little, like your little receipt. It gives you sold to, shipping to, payment method, the price breakdown. Yeah, so that's all you get in this paper. Then they actually give you a little pamphlet. This is cute, and they show you all the coffee collection colors. So they have espresso, cappuccino, cherry coffee, and black coffee right here on the bottom. I was really interested in these and the black coffee, but then I saw them and they're actually just like my regular eye color, so I was like, okay. I was also into espresso, but it looked a little red. I ended up going with cappuccino, I believe. Shit, oh my god, I went with espresso. Ooh, girl, okay, I totally forgot. Oh, they look kind of red right there, but okay, now I remember cappuccino looked super Twilight, so I was like, I wanted to look semi-decent because, like I said, the printing is pretty harsh. And here it says new Central Beauty lenses, which the caramel brown are part of the Central Beauty lenses. But that was also something I was going to talk about. Looks like they re-updated it, like with Solotica, they say opacity every new year, so I guess they did a new opacity with the whole collection though. I don't think it's yearly because they didn't say 2019 or anything like that. So, and then they actually give you a little pamphlet, which online they also give you like instructions, how to put them on, you know, taking care of them, all that stuff. Let's see, the only thing that, because I wrote like a little list with things I wanted to talk to y'all about, is I do not know how long these are for. In my mind, I remember 4 months, but so here is basically what they have online in paper form, showing you like how you should wear one day for 4 to 6 hours, and 8 hours the next day, then whatever time you actually want to wear them for. I really don't think it should be more than 12 hours. Like, that's half of your day, boo. Like, I don't know. But for sure, if you want to do this the right way, you should go to an ophthalmologist and get your eyes checked, do the whole contact lens thing, the fitting, everything, so you know your base curve and diameter, because these honeys only come in a certain base curve and diameter, or actually they don't call it diameter here, they say millimeter. Okay, so base curve is 8.7 for all of them, all collections. Now the diameter millimeter to them. For the Coffee and Central collection, it's a 14.5, and for the Attitude collection, it's a 14.2. So I also just want to talk about the Attitude collection really quickly, because when I was looking on the site, those were calling out to me more because they look something closer to what Solotica is. It just looks smoother. I don't know if you can tell, but even in the pictures, like, they ain't hiding nothing. Like, you can see the printing of the limbo ring, you can see the little pointers on the inside to mimic like the eye and stuff. So with the Attitude collection, it just looks smoother and softer, so I was kind of leaning towards maybe trying those out. But what stopped me is that they're dailies and they come in like what is it, like 6 lenses, so 12 little pairs in total, and I was just not feeling that. Like dailies, I don't know, I was not feeling that, so I just decided on these. But if y'all want me to try the Attitude collection, I'm down for that, because it did look a little like more Solotica vibes for sure. Also, another thing that I wanted to touch on was I got these from DesioAlliance.com. That's the only website that they sell these on, as to my knowledge, so I would just recommend purchasing from them. They actually have a link on their Instagram. There's 2 Instagrams. There's Desio Lens and then Desio Eyes. So the one that has around 400k, that's the one I use, and that's the correct link. The other one has like this other link that says like EU or something like that. So none of them are verified, but I just went along with the one that I saw a lot of other influencers on. Okay, so price is 42 euros, which obviously converts to USD, which is different. So it's 42. I don't know if it changes with prescription. They also offer toric lenses, which is if you have an astigmatism. I have an astigmatism, but girl, I can't be bothered. Like, it's a whole ass process. Like, you gotta know your numbers right, and they give you a disclaimer like, basically, if it ain't for you, boo-boo, like, we're not doing a refund, because it takes them a long time to even get them made, because they're customly made for you. So if you're gonna get them with power, I think you should definitely know your shit and know what the fuck you're doing. Otherwise, that shit's gonna be a fucking mess. So I do not know if they charge you more. I got them with no power, so that was 42, plus the 6 euros for shipping and handling. That came out to 56.41 US dollars for me. But the look, girl, that's you know, we're gonna try that out right now. I just want to get this out of the way because I haven't seen a lot of videos talking about all the breakdowns, so I just want to kind of have it all for y'all before we even take a look at the lenses. I got a confirmation email, I believe the same day or a day after, and they basically just gave me a rundown, and they told me that once they were out to ship, they were gonna send me an email. I ordered them on the 25th, got the shipping email on the 28th of January, and with that they gave me the tracking number, and they told me that they were first gonna be at a Dutch tracking website, which they give you the link to, and basically that's what you're going to be taking a look at while they're still in Europe and getting sent over to the US. So I tracked it there every day. Everything worked perfectly fine for me. I had no issues. They were actually sent over to the US we're in the US by the 2nd of February, and I got them. After that, you can use USPS, which is just postal service. That's what they use, and I got them on the 7th after that, so that's not too bad. They came here on the 2nd, I got them on the 7th. Again, this is a coffee collection, all brown contacts, which I think this is cool because a lot of brands do like the whole blue, green, turquoise, violet shit, which I fuck with. But if you're looking for that perfect brown, it's always too gray, like the ochres from Solotica. I just got a comment about that. Check out my old videos from Solotica. I definitely talk about those. Those have a hint of brown, but they're mostly gray. So with brown contacts, it'll either be gray or green. So these have like a little reddish tint to it, which I also have like a little reddish tint to my eyes, which they're mostly black, but in the sun you kind of see like this reddish hue. So I'm kind of hoping they blend in better. And I'm just gonna open it. It actually tells you how to put it on. That's cute. Anyways, I'm gonna do exactly what I usually do. I'm gonna go wash my hands. The only thing I definitely do not recommend, but I'm about to do, is do not put your contacts on with makeup. Put on your contacts before your makeup, before your lotion, before anything. But I'm about to do the opposite. So don't do this. I'm not even gonna show y'all. I'm just gonna come back and we're gonna see the lenses. And I'm also gonna find out what quarterly period of time means. Quarterly amount of time, which I'm gonna assume that means 4 months. So let me check that out. I'm gonna put them on and I'll show y'all what they look like. So remember this face and we're gonna come right back, y'all. I literally just popped them on with fucking skin burning ass hot water. Yeah, and I literally just took them out the packet and I put them on. No burning, nothing, just went right in. I love how they look, like no bullshit. I just lowered the light a little bit. You can see my eye coming through, but it kind of has that reddishy brown tint and it kind of makes it look a little bit more caramel. So I'm trying to open these hooded eyes up. Yeah, and they actually fit my eye perfectly. Like my natural eye does not show up at all. Hope y'all can see that. Ignore my makeup. I really like them, y'all. Like I'm kind of shook. I kind of don't even know how to feel. My eyes look humongous. Definitely though, 100% nothing has changed. They look fake. They're definitely no Solotica out here, but it's honestly not terrible. I feel like if you weren't all up in my fucking face, you wouldn't know shit. I think a deadass giveaway that they have is the limbo ring. It's not black, it's kind of like a deeper shade of the brown, but I feel like that definitely gives it that circle lens type of look where my eyes look a little bit bigger and like I look a little fucking muñeca or something, you know. This is like a my eyes but better type of color. Like it definitely is coming off way more, a little bit more golden than the red eyes that I have. But well, I don't know, y'all. What do y'all think? I'm excited. I'm gonna put these on tomorrow the right way before my makeup. You know, I just like to do a neutral chill look just so it's all about the eyes. Tomorrow we're not gonna do any talking. I just want to save that all for tonight. So probably gonna end here. I think I touched mostly on everything: the website, the type of collections that they offer, you know, measurements, how long it took for them to get here, the price, the cost, and we kind of went over what it looks like. So the rest of this video is just gonna be me showing you guys what they look like in different lightings, again, different settings. It's all gonna be with my new camera though, just because I feel like you can actually see all the details. The iPhone is lit only because you get to see like what it looks like on your phone if you're doing like video purposes. So I'm gonna compare. I'm gonna do just a shot with my iPhone, just so you guys have that comparison, so we can see, you know, if the camera kind of eases things up or shows a little bit too much detail versus what it'd be on your regular eye. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope I helped y'all with any questions. You guys are always free to DM me at babygirlchai. That's for my Instagram and my Snapchat. Or go ahead and please leave a comment down below. Let me know if I missed anything, or there's anything that you want to know. And yeah, I'll see y'all for the next one. Hopefully we have Solotica lenses by then. So bye, enjoy. And I just shift my eyes around so y'all could see if they move or not. Because there's a lot of contacts on the market that when you move your eye, they kind of take a while to move with you. So I think these do a pretty good job.